Hello everyone, here's another video on that strategy. How this strategy has been tested on the financial markets. Now we're going to try this OTC. Let's just go to 1 minute time frame and look at classic candles. The time, expiration time 2 minutes, $13 with that one. The indicator is going to use the following: Alligator and Donchian channel again. Alright, so let's configure that. The first one for Alligator, we are going to use that, okay? Alligator and Donchian channel. The first one, 138855 Alright, that's again. And the color is up to you, as I said. Donchian channel, 20 on period. Alright, and select the background. I don't like to use that. So, and that's it, guys. I have everything set up and I'm going to check the answer using the criteria. When the price breaks average, I'm not going to the direction of the trend. Alright, it's rated midpoint like this. I'm going to long for the strategy that tells me. So I'm going to look at the first entry and I have it. I'll take the explain it for you. Okay, so let's go with that. Guys, here we have our clear entry on that, as it's based on the trend. The prices rise strongly, and this is a big moment. And when you see the pullback, there's even a relationship in this average. I entered the 2 minutes based on the fact that it can also support, and that price is breaking the average as well, and everything points to the upward trend. Out of course that's changed all the time, and that's happening right now. It's like bouncing. With this bigger candle, but anyway, they give it 2 minutes, avoided the kind of moment. So that's the reason that all the time it trends between the time frame, as I said during the live session. Waited for 2 minutes, waited 20 seconds for that 1 minute. That's independent. And look, we got our first one, $24 the total on that. That's a good price for us. Okay, that's good profit. So it's okay right now. Wait for a strong reaction and then enter the 2 minutes to avoid that. 2 minutes or 1 minute could be the when had like then the next one green and give me the win. Right, so let's use 24 for the next one. Let's wait for the candle, just go through the zone, break that. That will be our point again.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
And when I get it, we'll take the explain it. Remember the risk session about the risk management. I don't know, but it's much less money in a deal to avoid it, right? So certain things can happen, such as in this extreme volatility. As analysis is not seen here, since you show that we have an entry on that pair. It will try OTC, but just perform that. As you can see, the candle just at the south of the zone. Okay, but wait for more candles, wait for that. That's entry down. That's as good. I'm seeing although when the intersect on OTC sometimes devise that. We can mark a resistance zone on that. We can use that as a base. That's pretty good. Using 30 seconds, 1 minute, 15 seconds, that's good. All right. Although this can change quickly, right? So it's necessary to change the time frames. We're seeing how the wick is changing, but already there. So now I have to wait to see what that's gonna happen. Come on, baby, let's go. So that is 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we got this. Yeah, $46 of profits for that one, guys. That is almost her stop position. That's the beginning of the candle. Beginning of position, the prices rise very strongly. Look what it does. And then the candle is cancelled out and falls below. With luck, we're in the position because this candle always went very high and look at it like we hadn't lost it. But anyway, I think the price is going to try to break up upwards. Even though we know the bar is moving so much and so much rejection, because look at that. Okay. So we're gonna use that right now. Let's remove this line. Let's see it for another one. Strong candle, reject candle. It could try again to shorty, but I don't know. Let's see that 3 minutes. All right. That's in the middle. Okay, where's the price? All right, guys, that's good. Good one. Let's see that. The down again? Yeah, that's down again. I consider the half the rejection here. The good thing about this stock is that I noticed that where the price is. The middle line is very close by, but the bad thing is it's weak, and there's that which cause it's compressed. Okay, but anyway, I'm already in the last position, so I just have to wait. Final outcome of the session. Last position on Euro try. Alright.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
We are seeing a good downward reaction, and both M1 and M3 can change that to 30 seconds. So you can also do that by looking at the indicators of average in M3 to see correct direction of the price. In both cases, guys, all three cases that positions being reaction just reached that. The second position was the one that almost gave me the loss because the candle just started to go up very hard and did not respect the trend. And look at this, guys. We just got the last $190. And remember, 70% success rate for that. 7 to 8%. With the paint of the... And not on the person, but at the filter that apply, right? I'm staying with the $13 to $9. I raised the account 9 to use the same strategy. I explained the previous videos in high volatile financial market. In this case, I'm giving 2 minutes. Why 2 minutes? I enter with these candles and look around the minutes, stay up. 2 minutes, I decide that. That's how the previous minute when it stayed second on the sides. All right. Well, explain that candle stayed up, guys. I think that was it. That is good. I entered where the fall, the 1 minute, second one rose, and all three cases the same part in our current part. That is good for us. Guys, I invite you to leave your opinion in comments. Okay, how does it work for you 2 minutes markets? Just let me know. The financial one is volatile was minute, but if there is no volatility, you could apply 2 minutes instead to 1 minute. Even if there's such as low markets, I could be 3. That will depend on the movement observed in the market, so pay attention. X right now, guys. Wish you good profits, good operation, and see you. Bye bye.